Well, I didn't get to finish my recording, so I'm back again. Here's the other doors to the master bedroom. And it's very pretty. This is nice. You have your own privacy fence area. And there's your gateway. So just to let you know what it looks like. It's a pretty day out in this beautiful tropical paradise. And I'm going back in now through this way. Back into the Florida room. Oh. There. It's locked. It's all locked up. It looks like this is a Four Seasons room. As you see, there's glass. The other one had screen that I had just left. I hope this is nice and you like my little tour that I did. It was really fun. I enjoyed doing virtual tours. It's got open floor plan, very nice. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the water for you, see if it leaks down there. There's your garbage disposal. And I don't see any leaking. No leaking. I gotta turn it on the other side. Let's run on that side. No leaking. Okay. Turn the water off. And there's your pretty cabinets. They're blue. Guess that could be changed if you don't like that color. It's not a biggie. Okay, well, I guess we're done here. Thank you for enjoying my tour that I made for you. I'm on the dimensions now. I got my dimensioner in my purse. I gotta stop this.